Hello, I am Meninanda Valpoi. Right now I am going to bring before you one small clip. Please watch it. This clip was shot by me when I was down in Goa, March elections. And I shot this clip of a monument which is in Valpoi. It was built by the Portuguese. Just to show you all how history is being manipulated by the Indians or during the Indian era. This particular monument was standing there according to what information I got from my father. As a child, my father told me as a child this monument was standing there. And I was born during the Portuguese era. And recently, there's one fool or an oaf sitting, good for nothing person, sitting as a chairman in the Valpoi municipality, who knows nothing of history, neither is he good in any general knowledge. His name is Umesh Gulelkar. He has declared this monument as a freedom fighters monument, the Goan freedom fighters monument. This monument, if it existed during a time when my father was a child and I was born during the Portuguese era, which means it existed much before that, and it was obvious that the Portuguese had built it. The name of the monument is ARTES-E-OFFICIO, and it is standing just opposite the Marathi medium government school, right in Valpoi. However, this man Umesh Gulelkar, who knows nothing, and he is the chairman of the Valpoi municipality with his half-baked knowledge, openly declared it as a freedom fighters monument. I would really like to ask Umesh Gulelkar from where he got the information that this particular monument is a freedom fighters monument, whereas there are hundreds of proofs or evidence that this monument was built by the Portuguese. There are a lot of people who would come forward and talk. Unfortunately, I had no time to go into that deeply. But however, next time when I go down to Goa, I shall certainly get all the detailed information of this particular monument. So kindly please watch this please watch this clip, which is going to be played here. As you can see on my computer here, right here, this is the particular monument, though you may be seeing it very faint or very small. Further ahead in the clip, you can see it fully. This is how the full history of Goa has been manipulated and fabricated by the Indian system, especially the so-called freedom fighters, who are nothing but fake freedom fighters. None of the real freedom fighters are alive till date. So please watch this and see how you feel about the monument when it is being just manipulated and converted, or they say that it was built for the freedom fighters, which is totally a false and a blatant bluff in the history of Goa. So please go ahead and see the clip ahead. Thank you. This is the monument that I was referring to. This is the one that is called ARTES-E-OFFICIO, and it is in Valpoi. This is where the manipulation has taken up history. This is just one brief and a small example of it. There are a lot of other things that have been manipulated by the Indian system. So just to show you all a brief idea, I have put this clip, how history is being manipulated in Goa and how the students in Goa are taught a manipulated history, far from the real truth. So let's take a closer look at the monument. There we can see the Ashok Chakra, which is on the Indian flag, which is being put up there. That's the one. So that's one method of conversion. Next is this tablet where it is written that this monument belongs to the freedom fighters.